Don't be sad if you did not have a chance to get your hands on the Black Friday deals you wanted last weekend, because every day this week, our dealership is extending the super savings we had a few days ago until the end of the month. Yes, you heard correctly. This is way more exciting than a simple Cyber Monday. It's Cyber Week, and the savings, rebates, and specials have never been this thrilling. Just click underneath this video now to get instant access to your Black Friday Cyber Week gift voucher. It will take you less than a minute. We are not talking about shaving a few bucks here and there off a few vehicles we're stuck with. No, no, no. We're talking about taking advantage of up to thousands of dollars in Black Friday and Cyber Week savings on many of your favorite models. What are you waiting for? Click underneath this video now to get instant access to your Black Friday Cyber Week gift voucher. It will take you less than a minute, and you can enjoy the biggest Black Friday and Cyber Week savings of your life. Get your gift voucher now.